How to install and activate FoodOrd plugin. This video walks you through the full setup process from start to finish. We are going to install the FoodOrd plugin in just a few quick steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is installing the FoodOrd plugin. To get to the Add Plugins page, head over to the Plugins menu on the left sidebar. From the submenu that pops up, pick Add Plugin. That gets you to the plugin installer. Let us go to the next step, which is to search for FoodOrd. To find the plugin, click into the search bar on the top right. Type in FoodOrd and let the results load. The plugin should now show up in the results. Let us go to the next step, which is to install and activate the plugin. To install FoodOrd, find its card in the results. Hit Install Now and wait a moment while WordPress pulls in the files. Once that button flips to activate, click it to turn the plugin on. The plugin is now live on your site. Let us go to the next step, which is to meet the prerequisites. To kick off the setup wizard, hit Start Setup on the welcome screen. Scroll down through the prerequisites, and you will notice WooCommerce is flagged as not ready, since FoodOrd needs it to run. Click Install WooCommerce and give it a moment to finish. Once all the checks turn green, hit Continue to demo import. Every requirement is now checked off. Let us go to the next step, which is to import the demo content. To load sample menus and pages, look at the Run Demo Import button. Click it and let the importer do its thing in the background. Your site now has demo content ready to customize. Let us go to the next step, which is to access the FoodOrd dashboard. To open the plugin settings, click Go to FoodOrd Settings on the Setup Complete screen. You will land on the main FoodOrd dashboard, where you can start managing orders, menus, and reservations. And that wraps up the setup wizard. Your FoodOrd plugin is fully installed and ready to go. Have fun building your menu.